Take out your science copy. I'm giving you, yes, science copy, not book. I'm giving you something to write. Okay? I hope you will enjoy that. I'm sharing my whiteboard, and everyone now look at my screen. I'm typing one question, and that is, write two good and two bad eating habits. What is the question? Write two good and two bad eating habits from the chapter Healthy Food. You have to write any two good and any two bad eating habit. Any two good or any two bad eating habit. But I'll request to all of you that don't copy the answer from your book. Okay. Any two good eating habits and any two bad eating habits. Those who will complete fast, first 5 students will ask by me. Okay, so 5 students will get chance to tell me the answer if you complete within time. Okay, so start writing your answer. Two good and two bad eating habits. Two good and two bad eating habits. The question that you are getting now every day in the class, note down all these questions because these questions are very important for your upcoming Essay 1 exam. You know that Essay 1 is a 80 marks exam, so there will be long question. So all these questions are very important for your upcoming Essay 1 exam. Understand? Though you will also get a suggestion, but still those we are discussing every day in the class, everything is very, very important for Essay 1 exam. Two good and two bad eating habit. Aryan, Arindam, Sakibuddin, switch on your video. Yes, Atrin. Unmute your device, Atrin.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of question?
The meaning of this question, two good and two bad eating habits. Two
Okay.
good and two bad eating habits. I can't tell you the answer, but I can give you one example that one good eating habit is we should always wash our hand before taking meal or before having food. We should wash our hand properly. So this is a good eating habit. So like this, you have to write two good and two bad eating habits. Yes, yes, Samriddho.
Ma'am, I have completed.
You have completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so okay, no need to tell me the answer because let it complete by all. After 10 minutes, I will first ask you. Okay, show me your copy. Okay, very good. Yes, Samraj.
Ma'am, I am completed.
I have completed. I am a completed. It is a wrong. It is wrong sentence. I have completed. You have completed. Show me your copy. Show me your copy.
Three.
Okay. Now close your copy. Now close it. Close your copy. Close your copy. I said to close your copy, not to switch off your video. Samraj, unmute your device. Okay, Samraj, I hope you have closed your copy, books, whatever it is. Now look at the camera. Samraj, why you are putting yourself on mute? Why you are doing this? Unmute your device. I want to talk to you. Unmute your device, Samraj. Samraj Oesi, last time telling you sit properly if you want to do the class. Sit properly, Samraj Oesi, sit properly. How you were sitting? You were lying on the bed. Can't you listen me? তুমি কি শুনতে পাচ্ছ না what I am saying? Samraj, উঠে বসো, ভালো করে বসো। Sit properly মানে ঠিক করে বসা। Why I need to translate my word? Why you are doing this? Okay, Samraj, now tell me one bad eating habit. Just look into the camera. Look into the camera and tell me. Look into the camera. ক্যামেরার দিকে তাকিয়ে বলো, বইয়ের দিকে তাকাবে না। Tell me one bad eating habit. One bad eating habit. Tell me. Tell me. Samraj, tell me. Very bad. It is very bad. Acha, Orko Priya. 1 minute. First, let me ask to Orindram, Samriddho, as he has completed first. Samriddho, tell me one good eating and one good and one bad eating habit.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, Samriddho.
Wash your hand before and after eating meals. Eating meals. Always eat fresh and clean food.
Okay, and bad eating habits?
Don't Do not eat uncovered food.
Yes.
Do not talk when you have food in your mouth.
Okay, Shamriddha, very good. But one suggestion for you, very good. One suggestion from next time, you need to read your book. Okay, at least try to read your book 5 times in a day. Okay. Whenever you are delivering any answer, you need to be fluent. Yeah. So, whatever you have written, read out this sentence loudly. Read out all the sentence loudly so that your ear can hear your own words. Okay. And next time, I wish to hear from you fluently. Sundor gorgor kore bolbe. Okay. Practice more and more reading, as much as possible for you. Read out everything. Acha, Orko Priya, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Orko Priya, tell me one good and one bad eating habit.
Wash your hands before and after eating meals.
Yes. And one bad eating habit.
Do not eat uncovered food.
Do not eat uncovered food. Okay, very good. Atrey.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritosri Kulia, I said that don't copy the answer from your book. And you are doing this. I know. I don't want to check any copy. I don't want to check your copy if you are writing from your book. Achatrey, tell me one good and one bad eating habit.
Good eating habits are we should always eat covered food.
Yes.
Bad eating habits are do not talk when you have food in your mouth.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, very good. As I said that first 5 students will get chance. Those who have completed first. So, acha. Afros, unmute your device.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Yes, Afros, tell me. One good and one bad eating habit.
Good eating habits. Always wash fruit and vegetables before eating and cooking.
Yes. And bad eating habit.
This is a good eating habit, and bad eating habits is do not take when you have food in your mouth.
Very good. Very good.
This is a bad eating habit.
Yes. This is a proper answer. Very good reply. Very good. So next student. Swachotwa.
Yes, ma'am.
Say. Tell me fast and look into the camera. Think it is an oral exam. Just think it is an oral exam and your teacher is asking you a question. So don't look at your copy and don't look at your book. If you know the answer, you don't need these things. So from next time, student, after completing your classwork, if you are able to tell me without your copy, without help of your copy or book, that time only raise your hand. Otherwise, I will not ask you. I know everything is written in the book and in your copy. I didn't say that tell me, read out this. I just want to listen from the word that you can tell me from by your own. Like Afroz, like Atrey, they didn't take the help of their book. Prepare yourself. Prepare yourself. Unmute your device. If you cannot
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
without book, drop your hand, please. Tell me one good and one bad eating habit.
Wash your hand before and after eating meals.
Yes, and
Do do take when you have food in your mouth.
yes, very good. Very good, but you need more practice. More and more practice. Who can say? Like this, who can tell me? Jini Akhtar, can you tell me? Unmute your device. Without book and
Yes.
without copy, you have to tell me the answer. So before raising your hand, think about it. Think about it. That you have to give the answer to ma'am without book and without copy. Yes, Jinia, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Just directly look into the camera and say. Tell me one good and one bad eating habit.
Good habit. Wash your hand before and after eating meal. Bad habit. Do not eat uncovered food.
Do not say again.
Bad habit. Do not eat uncovered food.
Do not eat uncovered. Okay, good. Very good. Acha. Fatiha, can you tell me like this? Unmute your device.
I have done, ma'am.
I know you have done, but can you tell me the answer without showing at the book or copy? Just look at the camera and tell me. No need to show me your copy. Tell me the answer.
Wash your hands before and after eating meals.
Okay,
And do not eat uncovered food.
okay, very good. Acha. Sadiq Farhan, can you tell me?
Yeah, good eating habits. Always eat fresh and clean food. Do not eat uncovered food.
Okay, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Ifra, for a long time you're raising your hand. Can you tell me without showing your book or copy? Can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just look at the camera and tell me. One good and one bad eating habit.
Good habits are wash your hands and before, after eating lens.
Yes, and
Bad habit, Bad habits are
No, bad eating
No.
habit. Bad eating habit is
not to eat
hmm?
uncovered
Yes,
food.
very, very good. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, like this, continue your class. Very, very good. Spondan Pal, get ready. Now your turn.
Yes, ma'am.
Just look at the camera and tell me the answer. Whatever you have written, tell me. One good and one bad eating habit.
Good eating habit is wash your hand before after eating.
Yes.
Eat slowly and chowy our food.
Chowy. What is this? Chewing. 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 Chewing.
Chewing.
Okay. Very good.
Bad eating habit.
Yes.
Bad eating habit. Do not eat uncovered food.
Okay. Okay. Very good.
Do not talk. Do not talk with food in our mouth.
Yes. You can also say we should not like this. Okay. Very good. Keep practicing. Ritoshree, I know. Acha, Ritoshree, unmute your device. First of all, place your camera properly. Why you are moving from here to there? Look at others.
Do
No, 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 not
What?
like this. Not like this. Not like this. First of all, sit properly. Place your device and then talk to me. Don't do the class like this. In this way, you cannot do the class. You have to sit properly and then talk to me. Zubair Khan, say.
good habit is wash your hand before and after eating milk.
Okay, wait, Ifra. No. Yes.
Bad habits is do not eat uncovered food.
Okay, very good. Rahat, I'm telling you, don't do this type of activity in the class. Ifra, wait. Let me ask other student, then I will talk to you. And if you want to have water, that you can. Rahat, be attentive in the class. Aryan Ahmed. Aryan Ahmed. Is it a playing
Yes,
class? Why are you jumping? Why are you jumping and why are you behaving like this? Say what you want to say. Nothing. Very good. Acha, yes, Arindram.
Ma'am,
Yes.
do not eat uncovered food.
No. Look at the camera and tell me. I didn't say that. Read out the sentence from the book. Look at the camera and tell me the answer. One
Do
good
not
and one bad eating habit.
Do not eat uncovered food.
Yes.
Always eat dirty water.
Always eat dirty water. Means
Bad eating habits.
After telling a wrong answer, why you are laughing? Study hard. Okay, study hard. Always drink dirty water. After saying this, you are laughing. Very, very bad. Very bad manners. Acha, now Ritushri, say. But you have to look at the camera and then you have to tell me the answer. If you can tell me, then
Do not uncover food.
do not uncover food. What
Eat
is the-
uncovered food.
Do not eat uncovered food. Yes.
Wash your hand before and after eating milk.
Meal. Before and after every meal. Yes. Very good. Acha. Rabiul, Aryan, Alma, Sudhi. As I said that first, those who have completed first, they will get chance. So, Rabiul, Aryan, I unmute you, but you didn't reply. You didn't reply to me. I call your name. Acha. For Rabiul, Almasudin, Ayman, Shougato, I will ask you tomorrow as time over. From next time, try to complete your writing first, but don't worry, tomorrow, first I will talk to you and then we'll continue my class. Okay? So everyone listen to me very carefully.